Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to blow out curly hair. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve smoothness and volume. Start by adding your favorite smoothing products to towel dried hair and comb them through. Rough dry your hair before you start your sectioning. I find it easiest to take out a horseshoe section, leaving out the front and bottom parts of your hair. Start in that front section using heavy tension, focusing on smoothing your root area first. Flip it out of the way once dry and move on to your next section. Notice my tension when attacking your roots. Once complete, add your new section to your previous section to cool. I like to complete the front sections before I move on to the back so that they don't kink up while air drying. I like to use metal brushes because they get hot like a curling iron would. If you find it easy to manipulate the brush, try and leave them in to cool together. The back of your head is always going to be the tricky part, so make sure to keep that tension and focus on your roots before moving on to your ends. Notice how my blow dryer follows my brush and does not lay on top. This is what's going to give you the smoothest results when working your ends. I'm going to give a few more sprays of my shine spray before removing my cooled sections. And there you have your smooth, voluminous blow dry. Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.